What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use KLARNA'S budgeting tool. It's going to be a quick video. Let's get straight into it. I got a couple of steps for you guys. The first is to access KLARNA'S budgeting tool. So if you want to access KLARNA'S budgeting tool, all you got to do is to first log into your KLARNA account, and then you want to go to the My KLARNA or account section, and then you want to click on budgeting or spending, and that's going to help you to access KLARNA'S budgeting tool. Now the second step, of course, is to set up your budget. So you can set a budget amount for a specific category. That could be food, entertainment, or whatever, and then just choose a budget period. So that could be weekly, monthly, whatever time period you want, and then just set a budget goal. So that could be save 10% of income or whatever, and you move on to the third step, that's tracking your spending. So once you have the budget done, KLARNA will automatically track your spending based on your transactions, and then you can also view your spending history and categorize transactions. And then you can set up notifications for when you go over your budget, and that's going to give you a notification alert, so you know whenever you go over the budget. So the fourth step, of course, is to analyze your spending. So you can view detailed breakdowns of your spendings. You can also identify areas for improvement and also adjust your budget as needed. So that's a pretty useful tool to help you sort out your finances and stuff based on how much you spend, and help you to control that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out so very much. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.